RV Helper. Today we're going to give you a 2-minute tip on how to ensure that your tires are inflated correctly before towing. This is a very important tip because you need to know how much air pressure needs to be in your tire to safely tow your trailer. The place that you need to go is directly inside the jamb of the driver's side door. So as you can see with our vehicle, the front tires need to be aired up to 60 psi, and then the rear tires need to be aired up to 80 psi. And that is the proper inflation for safely towing a trailer. If your tires are overinflated or underinflated, it can put undue stress on the sidewalls of the tire and cause a blowout. Most newer vehicles have a tire pressure monitoring system built into them. So if your vehicle is not equipped with the tire pressure monitoring system, then you'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way with a tire pressure gauge. We suggest to do this before every trip because your tires are vital in the safety of yourself, your family, and other people when you're towing a heavy load. If you know somebody that's looking to get into camping or has just started, please send them this video so we can help them out. Let's get camping.